Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. First of all, welcome to my channel. So friends, my today's video is creative, unique in itself because in this video I am sharing a very decent, elegant and a unique touch of representation for hand embroidery designs, for embroidery patterns of your dresses, kurtis, kameez and any type of tops as well. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my upcoming videos. So now here comes the end for my unlimited and small very cute requests. Now let's move back towards our content. Friends, the beauty, the uniqueness, the elegance, the creativity, the simplicity, and what can I say, of these designs is so charming, so attractive that you can use these for office outfits, for everyday usual outfits, for formal as well as for casual outfits. All of these dresses embroidery patterns are simple, easy to make, highly attractive, attention catching, and you can make them with a very little effort as well. So please do try these patterns and share your experiences and what you feel about our content, what you went through when you actually exactly make these patterns, and the larger amount of friends and family members of yours praise you endlessly, limitlessly, and ask you from where you have bought these. So on my channel I try my best to give you all type of amazing, trendy and stylish designer wear ideas related to hand art, hand embroidery, machine embroidery, fabric painting and many more creativities as per choices. So with this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing and trendy ideas. And with this, allow me to leave. Be happy, spread positivity. Jazakallahu khair for watching. Fi manillah. We will meet soon in our next upcoming videos. So stay tuned for the more upcoming trendy, stylish and latest ideas related to women fashion.